Dear students, today we are solving PUMDET 2023 and we are at question number 15. So a monopolist has the demand curve, elasticity with absolute value 4, monopolist charges price 60, wilt will be the marginal cost at this value. Okay, so here we go. This is the thing. E is dq by dp into p by q. So here we can put this, so dq by dp will give us q by 15. MC is associated with this. I'm taking the mod value because they're given. So MC is P is 60, 1 minus 1 by 4, so 3 by 4, 15, so 45. So that's the answer, 45 over here. Next 16, the market equilibria fail to Pareto optimal in the presence of, so Pareto optimally occurs but it's not possible to make anyone better off without making at least someone worse off. So market equilibria may fail to Pareto optimality due to a lot of reasons, like externality is there, yes, market power, asymmetric information. So actually all of this is a situational crisis can be created due to this. The next is 17, consider a two-good economy where Y is a numeraire good. So numeraire here. So to find the optimal bundle of the two economy structures, international economy. Question budget constant, we need to maximize the utility are subject to the budget constant. So U equal to X plus 2Y, Px plus Y equal to this. Okay, so du dx is 1 minus 2p equal to 0. Just put it over here. So let me tell you the Lagrangian form, X plus Y, 2y. And okay, so this is 1 minus ux here, 1 minus 2. So here p equal to 0.5 will be coming at p equal to given 2. So we can find the functions that x equal to 0 and x equal to 100, two values. So u equal to at this 200 and this it will be 100. So the maximum value will be achieved at this. So c equal to 0, 100 is the